Okay, guys, let's look at question number 2. Consider the various vectors below. Given that each square is 10 kilometers along its edge, determine the magnitude and the direction of the components of these vectors. So, what am I going to do here? Well, what we're saying is, for example, for the first one, the horizontal distance, we're going in the direction of, if we remember that we never eat soggy waffles, that we know that we're going east. And we said each of these jumps are 2. So we're going east 2. So I know that I'm going to be going 20, because it jumped 2. I'm doing 20. The magnitude is going to be 20 kilometers east. And then I know that I'm going to go north the same distance, right? So it is 20 kilometers north. And so we do this for every single problem. We're going to just write this out, okay? Now let's look at another one just to see that what would happen. So I'm going to look at letter F. So here we can see that in F, we're going to go, remember, what we do, one thing to note here is we go from where I started, in the previous question, I started here, and then I went to here, right? So in other words, I started from the back side, and I worked to the front of the arrow, right? So that's what we always have to do. So I'm going to start here. So I'm going to start from the back side, and we have to do what? Well, we can see that we go horizontally. I go 10. This is 10, only one. I can only move 1, so this is letter F. So I go 10 west, and then I go south, right? I go 20 south. Okay? So magnitude is going to be denoted always as a positive. Okay? When we talk about this, we're going to talk about the distance in a positive. But the west is telling me because I'm going to the left, and the down is south, so I'm going south. So that's how you approach each and every one of these. So I'm going to leave it to y'all to figure out the rest on your own. Alright, guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.